Nenet Labier, 39 years old, of Baliwag, Bulacan, Philippines. As of now, I'm running small-scale businesses, a gown shop, a computer rentals, pisonet, a sari-sari store, and a salon spa. When my daughter died, my world began tumbling down, and I became depressed. I felt like my work stopped, and so my determination and drive, with the support of my love of my family and faith to the Lord above, it slowly picked up myself. I made myself busy. I venture on businesses that will keep me on busy to my toes. Now even taking it to a greater heights by joining MasterChef Asia. My life is like my favorite, the very famous Filipino dish adobo. It's simple but diverse with full of love. Here are my son, my loving husband, and my family. All here are to support me. To God be the glory. Naniniwala po ako na hindi ko kasalanang ipinanganak akong mahirap, pero kasalanan ko ang mamatay akong mahirap dahil hindi ako nagsumikap. That's why I'm working hard to uplift the life of my family. I know this competition will open the doors of success for me, not only for me, but all aspiring MasterChef all over Asia. Ladies and gentlemen, MasterChef Asia judges, this is my apron. I love this apron, but I want apron 1 from you, MasterChef Asia. I'm begging you, please. MasterChef Asia judges, here is my final signature dish, chicken adobo. I'm Nenet Labier. I will be the first ever MasterChef Asia.